Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is on this peachy burgundy smoky eye with a shimmery lower lash line. I have been loving a shimmery lower lash line. I don't know what it is about it, but it just kind of makes your eyes pop and sparkle. So I hope that you enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Ofra Cosmetics Sweet Dreams Signature Palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Dreamcatcher. I'm starting with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, and I'm going to start running this through my crease, all the way into this inner part of my crease, and then going back and forth and just blending that out. I'm now going into Trance. Now switching over to my Sigma E25, I'm going to start applying this through my crease first. Whenever I do a smoky eye, I like to concentrate on blending the shadows through my crease first, and then I just pop on that shadow on my lid, and your smoky eye is basically done. It just makes it so much quicker than applying it first on your lid and then through your crease. And then you can pick up a little bit more just to start darkening up that crease area and deepening it. And you can go as dark or as light as you want. And now going in with Trance again, but this time on my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to start packing the shadow onto my lid. And now picking up Dreamcatcher on my E38, I'm going to apply this at the very high point of my crease to help blend everything out and bring back that peachy shade. Now picking up Crush, I'm applying this on my lower lash line with my F70 concealer brush. I've been loving a shimmery lower lash line. I feel like it just catches the light really nicely and makes your eyes glisten. To highlight, I'm picking up Pillow Talk. I'm going to highlight my inner corner. To line my waterline, I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Love Drug. I'm now going to line my waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Pretty Little Thing X Tati Lashes in Chick Flick. And that's the eye look done. So for my lips, I want to do a peachy nude, something to really bring out the peachy hue in my shadow. So I'm going into this Carity Lip Lock in Kira. I feel like this is going to be super pretty and perfect with the eyes. And that's it. This is the completed look of my peach and burgundy smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have to say that Ofra palette is so nice. It blended out so well and the pigmentation was amazing. I'm really impressed with it. And there was barely any fallout. I mean, I always pick up shadow and obviously tap off the excess off of my brush. Just make sure any excess shadow that was picked up on my brush kind of falls off so it's not going to fall off on my cheeks. But it was so nice. And you can also use code Paulina to save money at checkout on ofracosmetics.com if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That'll be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!